its steady, tired sway, a whisper in the hall, marking night and day. A heartbeat made of brass and of measured heavy spring, a lifetime meant to pass in its patient whispering. In the ticket, in the talk, there's a silent swinging world. In the turn of every lock, a universe unfurled, a symphony of grace. In a measured, patient heart, it's written on the face of this dedicated a world of spinning gears in a polished wooden case that counts our hopes and fears without leaving a trace. A pendulum's ballet in the dusty slanted light. It gives the time away, but it wins its own fight. The ticket in the talk, there's a silent swinging world. In the turn of every lock, a universe unfurled, a symphony of grace. In a measured, patient heart, it's written on the face of this dedicated So when the spring runs thin and the final chime is cast, what remains within is a beauty meant to last. The old clock on the wall, with its steady, tired sway, a whisper in the hall, marking night and day. A heartbeat made of brass and of measured heavy spring, a lifetime meant to pass in its patient whispering.